Hey, welcome to everybody and my channel. Today we have a new exponential equation. This question is very tricky question for you today. We have to find the value of x from the exponential equation. Let's go. We start for exponent of x is equal to 120. For exponential equation, we are taking common logarithm on both sides because one of the constant is the variable is exponent is x. So now we can first simplify these two terms. How we can write the factor of 4 we can write 2 exponent of square, we get 4x is equal to a. Similarly, we can write 120 is the factor of this one. 2 multiplied by 6 12 and 0 is remaining, and here 2 multiplied by 3 and 3 and 2 multiplied by 15 and 3 multiplied by 5. So now the factor of all these terms are the factor of 120. So 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 we get in here the factor of 120. Now according to the rule of here, we are using the double exponent rule. The double exponent rule, first rule we have a exponent of m whole exponent of n is equal to a exponent of m, and according to this rules we are applying in here. And also when the bases are same of the different kind, we can add their power, so we can write 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to a exponent of 3. Similarly, and here the base is 2, we take one base and we take their exponent 8. So now according to this rule, the first rule we can apply in here, 2 exponent of 2x is equal to 2 exponent of 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 and 3.5. Because these are different, there is no common factor in here. So now we can further we can simplify 2 exponent of 3 and 3 exponent 3 into 5. Now we try to finish this result 2 exponent of 3. We try to finish, we are taking divide on both sides of this terms. 2 exponent of 2x divided by 2 exponent of 3 is equal to 3.5. Now according to the division rule, we have the division rule. According to this rules, a exponent of m divided by a exponent of n is equal to, we take one base and we subtract their power. Similarly, we are doing the same process. We take one base, 2 is the base in here, and we subtract in here 2x minus 3 is equal to 3.5. Now we are applying common logarithm to the base in here is in here 10. So taking log on both sides is equal to log of 3.5. Now according to the logarithm, two rules, one is the power rule and the other is the product or multiplication rule we are applying in here. So according, first we rule if log of m exponent of n times log of m. According to this first rule, we will open this term. Similarly, we are the product term, log of m dot n is equal to log of m dot plus, and product is changed into addition. Now we can apply in here on both terms. So we can write the result 2x minus 3 log of 2 is remaining in here, and log is equal to log of 3 plus and log of 5. Here is consider this one is m and this is considered n. We get the formula log m n. According to this formula, we have next if we try to finish this log of 2x minus 3 log of 2 divide on both sides. Log of 2 is equal to log of 3 divided by log of 2 plus and log of 5 divided by log of 2. We divide this term on both sides. Now and here this will be cancelled, and here we are using the base law. What is the base law? Here the base law is according to this rule, base law, log of m exponent of n is equal to log of m a. We can write a is the base in here, and also log of a is the base, and here m. According to this law, we are trying to open this term. We can write these two terms, the first one this one and also this one we can write. Now 2x minus 3 is remaining, 2x minus 3 is remaining, and log of 2 exponent of 3 and log of 2 exponent of 5 is remaining. Now we try to finish this result 3. We change to the right side, 2x is equal to 3 plus log of 2 exponent of 3 and log of 2 exponent of 5. Now we try to finish the value of 2, the coefficient of x, because we are x is required. So 3 divided by 2 plus, and here is 1 by 2 log of 2 exponent of 3 and plus 1 by 2 log of 2 exponent of 5. Now this 2 is cancelled. We have get the result 3 by 2 plus 1 by 2 log of 2 exponent of 3 and plus 1 by 2 log of 2 exponent of 5 is the solution of this question. Now we try to check our answer is correct or not. We can verify it also. For exponent of x is equal to 120, we have already found the value of x. We replace this result by x. So for exponent of x, x is 3 by 2 plus 1 by 2 log of 2 exponent of 3 plus and 1 by 2 log of 2 exponent of 5 is question mark is 120. Now because here is 2 is the basis coming in the logarithm, we try to make this factor of 4. We can write 2 exponent of 2, 3 by 2 plus 1 by 2 log of 2 exponent of 3 and 1 by 2 log of 2 exponent of 5 is the question mark is 120. 120. Now according to the double exponent rule, we multiply this term by 2 into 3 by 2 plus 2 divided by 2 log of 2 and plus 2 divided by 2 log of 2 exponent of question mark is 120. Now this 2 is cancelled, 2 are cancelled, 2 are cancelled. We get in here 2 exponent of 3 plus log of 2 exponent of 3 plus log of 2 exponent of 5 is question mark is 120. Now we write all of the exponent we change into the base form. So we can write 2 exponent of 3 dot 2 exponent of log of 2 exponent of 3 dot 2 exponent of log of 2 exponent of 5 and here is 3. Okay, so now is question mark is 120. So this will be equal to 1 and this will be equal to 1. We get in here 8 into 3 into 5 is question mark is 120. So 8 multiplied by 3, 24 and 24 multiplied by we get 5 is equal to 120. So both answer are same. It means that our solution is correct. X is equal to 3 plus 1 by 2 log of 2 base. Here is 3 and 2 base is log of 5. This is the solution. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe my channel and share this video more and more. Thanks again for watching.